Welcome to the ShaLaw Contact Management Center, part 2 in the video tutorial series of how to use the rate calculator. We're back at the rate calculator screen, and we now have a load that's going from Troy, Alabama to Douglas, Georgia. This will be a per mile rate. Georgia. The miles didn't default. We'll use the map button to bring up the mileage from Google. I show 213 miles, and the carrier's got this at 100, and the shipper's got it at 197. Well, I'll use the shipper's mileage. That's the defaulted in the box. The shipper is going to pay $4.50 per mile. So we'll change the drop down to a per mile rate. It defaults to flat because more than likely, well, most of our shippers give us a flat rate, and that's what you work from. So at $4.50 per mile, I'm going to hit the calculate button. I'm going to choose Sapphire Lumber this time as the contracted shipper. This is a list of all the shippers I've contracted with. The more shippers you have in that are contracted, the larger the list is. The reload button allows you to reload the list. In this case, we'll choose Sapphire. We've got a minimum load profit of $50, and our factoring company rates are present. I'll hit the calculate button, and it calculated that I can pay the carrier $806.72 flat, which is a posted rate. That's going to yield me a bill to shipper of $886.50, which is $4.50 per mile, a posted carrier rate of $806.72. Carrier invoice is going to be $790.59, and the factoring company is going to deposit $797.85 into my account, yielding a instant profit of $7.26. After shipper pays profit to the factoring company, $44.33, and I'll get a total profit of $51.59, which is above my load minimum profit. Not by much, but it is. So that's going to give the carrier a $4.10 rate per mile. We can save this calculation if we want to, make modifications to it, but ultimately, that's what it's going to be, and that's the best rate according to the computer. Now, you can change this to, I don't know, let's say you want to give the carrier $4.11 per mile. We can see what that equates to. So your instant profit drops a bit. Your carrier rate per mile does go up, but the numbers have changed, and you're still within tolerance range of your $797.85 by a little over $4. This concludes the tutorial series on a per mile calculation. Thanks for watching.